like to tell you about this. This is the first I talk about OBS Studio. Yes, get started with OBS Studio on Myshorttips. Before you getting started this OBS Studio, you must to install OBS Studio on your computer machine. Yes, computer machine. Okay, computer machine. Yes, just like that. And you can go to the website. Okay, this is OBS Studio website. You can visit in here and you can install on your operating system. There is Windows, Mac OS and Linux OS. Okay, this is the popular OS operating system IC, and this OBS is free and open source for you to live streaming. Yes, and not only just live streaming, but this is also you can using for recording your video. Yes, video recording. It's a very simple thing when you using this. We're just using this, download, and then you can download in here. This is OBS 13.0.2. Wow, this is right. Okay, if you has been download this, you can follow my tutorial. Okay, this is the tutorial, and when you see on your monitor, this is I used to creating this tutorial. Okay, alright, and I would like to tell you the very important thing in OBS Studio. This a very important thing is you can using the studio mode, or if you like this is the normal mode. If you using normal mode like this, your audience, your subscriber will be now if you edit your skin like this. Maybe you can edit this just like this. Okay, your audience know about this because it's live just like that. But if you're using studio mode like this, there is two monitor in here. This is the program skin. Your audience will see this monitor, but you can edit in this preview. Maybe if you want to make this logo smaller, you can drag, right click on your mouse and drag in here just like this. Okay, and you can see your audience not see this preview skin until you transition like this. Okay, and now your audience will be see your program skin here just like this when you complete to resize your logo in here. Okay, this is a very important thing you must to know about OBS Studio. There is two modes in here, studio mode and normal mode. Okay, this is the interval. This is default interface you can find on OBS Studio 13.0.2, and I suggest you to update your OBS Studio with the new update. Okay, this is monitor. We has been talking about this, and then you can see in this area is control. You can controlling anything in here. Maybe start streaming, you can begin your live streaming, and or if you just want to stop recording and start recording, yeah, in here you can start and stop recording. Maybe you can edit before you upload on your channel. You can recording your screen. It's very easy with OBS Studio. And then you can also using start virtual camera if you want to meeting with your client or with your friends. If you with your teacher, you can using this, so your teacher or your friend will be see your program skin here. And you can using your webcam, and like this you can add a video capture device and another in here, but your friend or your teacher will be see your camera as program skin in here just like this. This is very crazy, but maybe a lot of student using this for now. And we can maybe we know about the Zoom meeting or Google meeting using a lot of customization for make you amazing on your camera. But when you're using this OBS Studio for your virtual camera, maybe it's also good for you to describe you as a live streamer. Then in this area you can see your audio, and in this project like this, I using one input for audio input capture. So in this audio mixer, just show this audio matter like this. You can up your audio volume here, okay. And then in this area you can see the transition. You can change your transition in here like this. When you click the transition, and will be okay. If you see like this, maybe this is fade. But if you want to using cut in here, you can see this is cut. Okay, alright. If you want to change your transition, just click on here. There is two transition on here, but you can add some transition just like this. Add configuration transition. You can using slider, okay, just like this. Okay. If you want to change again, just click here. Okay, slide. We can try. Okay, just like this. This is slide. It's so amazing, right? It's so amazing, right? Yes, just like this. If you want to change again with stringer, you can using this stringer, but you need the video file in here. The stringer video file for this. If you have a logo video stringer with your brand and another, you can using this. Okay, but I don't have for this time. Maybe in the next tutorial we can talk about the stinger in here. We can cancel. Okay, we can add so many transition again. There is a fade to color, okay, like this. Okay, you can see in here just like this. This is the black color for transition, and there is the last normal white, just like this. Okay, transition too, just like this. This is a Luma wipe. Okay, and I would like to talk about duration. This duration is a very important thing. When you set this duration just a little bit, maybe 10, this is very faster. Okay, just like that. When you can using 13. Okay, this is very fun, but you can using this for this, and the minimum is 15 ms. And when you using this is so very slow. Okay, but this is so very amazing, right? The slow is not bad. Okay, and next you can see this is the sources. Sources is the source. You can using this for add some source, maybe a webcam, maybe a screen capture, maybe a video capture, maybe from your PS2, PlayStation, and another source in here. There is so many source here. There is audio, browser, maybe your browser. Here you can add, add domain name. This is a color source. Maybe if you want to monocolor in here, or if you want to create a green screen, you can using color source in here. Or you can see in here, this is a color source, man, just like this. Okay, this is example for this. You can using for background, so your screen is so amazing in here. And then there is game capture. This is some plugin like Cam OBS and display capture your screen image. You can take a picture, your photo, and another, or you can make it a slideshow. Yes, I know you, if you know about this image slideshow. And you can using the video, your video, MP4 or AVI or MKV, and another source. the video, just add this letter skin here. Maybe you can using this for add another skin you created before your streaming. And there is text. Yes, you can using this for add text like this. You can see this is the text example like this. There is so many. If you click here, there is so many configuration in here. Okay, just like this. You can cancel. Okay, you can create a lot of text in here, just based on your creation. And this example of image, this is the image. You can searching for your image in here, your photo, image, logo, and another. Okay, and video capture, this is the device you own, maybe a webcam, or you can capture card from capture card and another source. This is VLC. If you are playing video on your VLC player, if you have VLC player, you can using this. And this is the last of amazing feature on this OBS Studio. You can using Windows capture, so you can using specific window to show to your audience. Okay, and the very important thing, you can using group for make. This is example. Maybe you can using this and press shift on your keyboard, shift button. Okay, press and wait and click, wait, yeah, and this. So release your shift button, yes, and right click on your mouse, then you can group selected item in here, just like this. This is the group. This is the same for this, just like this. But if you using this, you can using click and drag and drop in here, just like this. Drag and drop in here, drag and drop in here, just like this. This is a very important thing you must know about OBS Studio. This is the basic of OBS Studio. And the important thing, another important thing is skin. You can see, you can creating so many skin in here, so your live streaming is more beautiful, just like this. You can add your skin again, and you can make a composition to make your stream to be best quality. And you can also copy the main source in another skin. Maybe this is audio input is maybe so it's the same, copy, and then you can paste it in here, paste as reference, and you can see there is audio input capture. If you change this, maybe another skin also change, just like this. Okay, this is the basic of OBS Studio. You want to know about this, and I would like this is the help you to know about OBS Studio. See ya.